Algebra 2, set 14, equation of a line through 2 points, and equation of a line with a given slope. So we know the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So find the equation of the line that passes through -3, 2, and 3, -3. So we'll draw our axis, and then we'll plot -3, 2, and 3, -3. Draw the line through it, and then we're going to make the triangle that connects these 2 points. So we know it goes up and it goes over. It goes up 5 units and over 6 units. When we look at this slope, we can see that it's negative. So our slope is -5, 6. So when we'll take our equation for a line, which is y equals mx plus b, and we'll plug in the slope, y equals -5, 6 x plus b. Now it says that it passes through -3, 2 and 3, -3, so we can take either of those points because either of those points has an x and a y. And so we'll just pick one of them and plug it in for x and y. So let's pick the first one. So 2 equals -5, 6 times -3 plus b. This is going to help us solve for b to figure out what our y-intercept is. So -3 and 6 can cancel. 3 goes into itself once and into 6 twice. So we end up with 2 is equal to 5/2 plus b, because we have a negative times a negative, it's positive. And we'll subtract 5/2 from 2. Well, 2 is 4/2. So 4/2 minus 5/2 is -1/2. So we know our y-intercept is b. When we go over and look at the graph, we can see that the y-intercept is -1/2. It makes sense. So that verifies that our equation is going to be y equals -5, 6 x minus 1/2. Find the equation of the line that passes through -4, 7 and has a slope of -3/5. You might want to graph this, but you don't need to. So we're going to talk about how you can solve it without graphing. So we'll take our equation, y equals mx plus b. We know the slope already, so we don't need to worry about that. So all we need to do is plug in our points. So we know that we have an x and a y value. So x is -4, y is 7. So 7 is equal to -3/5 times -4 plus b. This will help us find b. So 7 equals 12/5 plus b. 7 is 35/5, so when we subtract 12/5 from both sides, we end up with 23/5. So y is equal to -3/5 plus 23/5.